So let us start with a K-map reduction problem. Suppose we have a function of min terms m1, m2, m3, m5, m7, m8, m9, m10, m11, m12, m14. This is the function which we have to realize using NAND gates only. This function has to be realized using NAND gates only. Okay. Then what is the way? First of all, you need to map this function into K-map. So you draw a 4 variable K-map because it needs 4 variables. Suppose AB has been taken over here and CD here, so C bar, D bar, C bar, D, CD and CD bar, A bar, B bar, A bar, B, AB and AB bar. So this way if we write the number of min terms, so this will be 0, 1 and this will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Am I right? So if I place ones with say different color pen, so M1 is 1, M2 is 1, 3 is 1, 5 is 1, 7 is 1, 8, 9, 10 and 11 and 12 and 14. Okay. So first of all we look for the prime implicants, and then we will say whether they are non-essential prime implicant or essential prime implicant. So what is the biggest group that can be formed? I think this may be one of the biggest group. And what is the variable coming out of this is AB bar. Am I right? This may be another group. This may be another group. And what is variable coming out of this grouping is A and D bar, AD bar. Okay. This is one of the quad. What is variable coming out of it? A bar, D. Good. And is there any other chance? Is there any other chance to form any quad? If you look, you can form. Okay. It incorporates a fresh one, this. Okay. It can also form a pair, but that is not the prime implicant. Okay. That is a non-prime implicant. A prime implicant can be formed by making a group like this, making a group of quad. Okay. So what is the variable out of it? B bar. Okay. B bar and C. Good. B bar C. Is there any other chance? Any other chance of reduction? Suppose if somebody encircles this with this, that I am marking with yellow color pen, it is a non-essential prime implicant. Okay, this is non-essential. Why? Because it does not incorporate any fresh one. Okay, so the reduced function is b bar c plus a bar d plus ad bar plus ab bar. Am I right? This is the reduced function. Okay, now we have to implement this using NAND gate. The second stage of problem is implementation. So I have to implement the function. I am further writing the function b bar c plus a bar d plus ad bar plus ab bar. Naturally, it needs 4 signal lines A, B, C, D. So better you draw all the 4 signal lines and their what? Complement line. Okay. So signal line A, B, C and D. And like biology people, you also keep different colored pen except red color, because red color is not permitted in your examination. Okay. So this is the A bar line. Okay. This is B bar line. This is C bar line, and this is D bar line. C bar, B bar. This will prevent you from any confusion while connecting the lines. This demands that you pick up a line from B bar and a line from C and feed this to a NAND gate. NAND gate. A bar and D and feed this to NAND gate. AD bar and feed this to NAND gate, and AB bar okay. Now all the outputs which have been derived from the different NAND gates, say NAND gate number 1, 2, 3 and 4, they are further fed to a 4 input NAND gate. Okay, a 4 input NAND gate to get the final output f, the function f. Okay, agreed with this? So this way you can design any sum of product function using NAND gates. Sum of product functions can be realized using NAND gates as basic building block, and you have to do these kind of thing in your laboratory also. Okay, you have to perform many experiments based on this K-map designing. So now this way you can design any logical circuitry which can be mapped in your K-map. Okay. Now I am coming towards the realization of product of sum method using K-map. How can you realize things using product of sum method? Sum of product is one thing and product of sum is another thing. Okay. So how can you design the things using product of sum method? So let us see the problem in this way also. Suppose we have been given a truth table A, B, C, D, and this is 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0. Am I right? All the possible inputs have been written. Okay. If I write the mean terms corresponding to this, mean term designation corresponding to this will be M0, this will be M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7, M8, M9, M10, M11, M12, M13, M14, and M15. Okay, M50 corresponds to this. Suppose if I wish to have 1 at M0 and 0 at M1 and 1 at M2, and then say at other M3, M4, M5, M6 and M7, they are all 0, and this 1 at M8 and M9, M10, M11, M12, M13, M14 and M15. Suppose this kind of output is desired to us. Okay. There is no harm if I wish to design a circuit like this. Okay. Now, if I say this output to be F, if I say this output to be F, what will be F bar? What will be F bar? Simply the complement of this output. Simply the complement of this output will be F bar. So, naturally this will be 0, this will be 1, this will be 0, these are all ones and these are all zeros. So, let us design a sum of product circuit using K map for F bar. Let us design a SOP circuitry for F bar. What is the way? We will make a K map for this and proceed for the designing. So, let us start. Okay. Where will you map your ones in F bar table? At M1, at M3, M4, M5, M6, M7. Okay. So, let us map it at M1, M3, M4, M5, M6 and M7. Okay. These are mapped as 1. This is the realization for F bar. Now, what is the way to make groups? This is one of the group. What will be the variable that will come out of it is A bar B, and we will make another group like this. Which variable is coming out of it? A bar D. So, F bar is A bar D plus A bar B. Is it? So it will be further reduced. A bar D, okay, A bar D, and this is A bar B, AB and AB bar, okay, no problem. So this is A bar D plus A bar B, but this is F bar. So let us take further complement this expression. If we take complement at both the sides, A bar D plus A bar B whole bar, and let us apply De Morgan's theorem. What De Morgan's theorem says that this will be A bar D whole bar dot A bar B whole bar, okay, and this will be A plus D bar dot A plus B bar, and this is your product of sum realization of the same truth table, because now you are realizing F, okay. So this way you are realizing max terms. So got your point? Suppose if somebody is asking you to realize the circuit using NOR gates, then this is the way. You assume 0 to be 1 and 1 to be 0, and by assuming this you are going to realize F bar. You are going to realize F bar. So once you realized the function for F bar, you take further complement of the function to get F, and that function will come in the form of product of sum, and once you got the product of sum expression, you can realize it using your NOR gates, okay. So suppose if there is a K map given to us, this is C bar D bar, C bar D, CD and CD bar, A bar B bar, A bar B, AB and AB bar. This map is presented this way, and 0 in the rest of the cells. So you have to design it using sum of product method and using product of sum method. You have to make the design of this circuit using both way, and then you have to comment on the complexity of the circuit, which realization is more complex, okay, and which realization is less complex. So let us proceed. We will first realize the circuit for F. So to realize the circuit for F, what will we do? We will make groups of ones. So this is one of the biggest group that can be formed, and the output from this is C bar A bar, and one of the group can be this, A bar D, okay. So the function which is coming is A bar C bar plus A bar D. Now we will do realization for zeros, and realization for zeros can be done by taking complement of our function and by assuming 0 as 1, and we will proceed for the implementation of complement of the function. So what is the biggest group that can be formed? One of the group is this, and what will come out of this? A, simply A. Okay, and then one of the biggest group is this, and what will come out of this is CD bar. Okay, so F bar will be equal to A plus CD bar. This is F bar. Why? Because we are assuming 0 as 1 and 1 as 0. Now, to get F, we will further take the complement on both the sides. This will be A bar dot CD bar whole bar. Okay. So, this will be A bar and C bar plus D. So, this is function realized using product of sum method. Product of sum method. If you simply see the implementation of this, it will require, I am using straightforward realization using AND gate and OR gate. They can be replaced by NAND gates, no problem. So, this will be A bar, C bar, and then A bar, D, and they are then applied to the input of OR gate. This is not appearing on the screen. No? Okay. And what about the realization of this? C bar D, C bar D, they are applied to the OR gate, and then A bar, they are fed to the AND gate. This way you are realizing the same function. This circuit will show the same input output behavior as this circuit is showing. Okay, same input output behavior. It will satisfy the same truth table as this circuit will satisfy. Both the circuit will satisfy the same truth table. Okay, so which circuit will you prefer? Naturally, this circuit, if you say this circuit number 2 and this circuit number 1, you will prefer circuit number 2 because it is less complex. It incorporates only 2 gates. See, the overall power consumption will be less. Overall delay in the circuit will be less. Battery time will enhance. Battery backup will enhance. And this is one of the major issue. है ना? So, this way you will select your circuit realization, whether it is good in the NOR realization way or whether it is good using NAND realization way. Okay. Now, I am okay. Let us proceed for some don't care states also. What will happen if you incorporate don't care states? Suppose I am implementing some binary to decimal decoder like thing. What will happen? Suppose if I put input as A, B, C, D and I write the product term and I write the decimal numbers. So, is equivalent to decimal 0, 0, 0, 1 is equivalent to decimal 1, 0, 0, 1, 0 is equivalent to 2, 1, 1 is equivalent to 3, 0, 1, 0, 0 is 4, Okay, these are the decimal digits that you have to encode in binary. Okay, if decimal is encoded in binary, it will give you this thing. If binary is further decoded in decimal, it will be this thing. But what about the other binary combinations? There are other binary combinations in 4-bit pattern. So suppose if I write other patterns, it will be 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 and 1 1 1 1. So for these 6 patterns, we don't have any defined decimal. Okay, this is binary coded decimal. Binary coded decimal. So this is not a valid binary coding for any particular decimal. Okay. So for this, I can assume output to be equal to don't care. Output to be equal to don't care. And suppose if I wish to design a circuitry which produces 1 on the occurrence of value 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and on the occurrence of other BCD pattern, it produces output 0. So it produces output 0 in these situations. These patterns are not allowed to exist in this circuit. Why? Because they are not valid codes. But if somehow, because of some error, they exist in the circuit, what will happen to the output? The output can be anything, 0 or 1. This means the outputs are don't care in this situation. Got my point? Okay. Outputs are don't care in this situation. So how will you design this circuit? Using NAND gate. Using NAND gates. So let us design this circuit using NAND gate or using SOP function. Let us map this. The things are visible in this sharp pen or not? Whether I should use bold pen or this sharp pen? It is visible. So AB you take this side and CD to this side. If you map, this will be C bar, D bar, C bar, D, CD and CD bar. Okay, and this will be A bar, B bar, A bar, B, AB and AB bar. So I am simply mapping 1 in this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10, 10, this is 11, this is 12, 13, 14 and 15. So in 4, 5, 6, 7, mean term 4, 5, 6, 7, our circuit is giving 1. 4, 5, 6, 7, no? And in 8 also. In 8 also, the circuit is giving 1. And at 0, 1, 2 and 3 it is giving 0, and at 9 position it is giving at 9 position it is giving 0. Okay, you look at the truth table, and at rest of the in rest of the cells it is don't care. So if you are opting for the sum of product realization, you will focus for 1 and don't care. 1 and don't care whether they can form larger groups or not. So how one can form a largest group incorporating don't cares in this map? This is one of the group that can be formed incorporating don't cares. Okay. And what will be the output coming out of this group is D. Is it D? It is B. Okay. And then what is the other group? If I make a group like this, is it a valid group? Because it is incorporating a fresh one, and a fresh one can incorporate don't cares if they make the things comfortable. Okay. If they make the things quite easy, then what is the output? No. AD bar. Okay. Any other group which can be formed? Any other group which can be formed? No other group can be formed. So what is the output? F is equal to B plus AD bar. F is equal to B plus AD bar. This is the SOP realization. Now you approach for POS realization. Okay. And in POS realization you assume 1 to be equal to 0 and 0 to be equal to 1. Okay. And this way you realize F bar. Okay. So what is the biggest group that can be formed? Better if you put 1 over here. And better if you put 0 over here, because you are now proceeding for the realization of F bar. And don't cares. Okay. Now, which is the biggest group that can be formed? You tell me. Which is the biggest group? I think this is the biggest group. This is the biggest group. And this is one of the biggest group. Okay. So what is output coming out of this? A bar, B bar, and what is output coming out of this? B and B bar, I think, no? DB bar. You check me whether I am correct or not. DB bar. But this is F bar. F bar is equal to this. Okay. This is F bar. What about F? F will be the complement of A bar, B bar plus DB bar. You take the complement of this. This will be A bar, B bar, whole bar. Okay. Dot DB bar, whole bar. Am I right? This will be A plus B, apply De Morgan's theorem, dot D bar plus B. Okay. So using NOR gate you can realize this circuitry, and using NAND gate you can realize this circuitry. Now you see which one is more complex. Realization using NOR gate seems to be more complex. So you will prefer your realization using NAND gate for this particular map. So now the question arises that you have to investigate which way you have to flow for your final realization of the circuit, whether using NOR gate or NAND gate, because always you need simpler realization. Okay. So I will take a pause over here.